Welcome to this virtual tutoring session on how to create an arguable thesis statement. This video is part of an online series from the San Jose State University Writing Center. Throughout your college careers and beyond, you will need to create arguments in order to convince or persuade others. When it comes to essay writing, you begin with crafting an arguable thesis statement. An arguable thesis statement consists of two main parts: a claim and reasons. Your claim will need to meet three main criteria of an arguable thesis statement. 1. Your claim should attempt to convince or persuade your readers about an idea or urge them to act. This could involve statements with keywords where an action must, should, or needs to be done. 2. Your claim should examine a question or problem for which no obvious answer or solution exists. 3. Your claim should present an opinion or idea on which your readers could have varying perspectives. In other words, your readers could potentially disagree with your thesis statement. Remember, your goal is to persuade or convince them of your ideas. Let's begin with this sentence. The polar ice caps are melting at a rate of 9% every 10 years. Does this claim meet the three main criteria of an arguable thesis? Is it trying to persuade? This sentence could possibly sound like a claim where you are trying to convince your readers that the ice caps are melting. Is there an easy or obvious solution? If there were, global warming wouldn't be an issue today. Could someone potentially disagree with this claim? Not quite. Politics aside, the speed at which the ice caps are melting is a general fact that your readers could easily look up online or in a book. Another example of an easily verifiable fact is that water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Instead of providing an opinion of what could or should be done, this is a fact that cannot be disputed. No, this sentence does not meet the main criteria of an arguable thesis statement. So, how can we solve this problem? Turn this into a claim by creating a should or must statement. What action should be taken regarding the ice caps? The polar ice caps should be melted. Now we have created an arguable claim. This sentence attempts to persuade readers about an action that should be taken. There is still no easily identifiable solution to the problem, and readers could potentially disagree with the idea. However, we are not done yet. The claim needs to be qualified, or else it won't make sense. We need to explain why the polar ice caps should be melted. Remember, an arguable thesis statement consists of both a claim and reasons. This is where you will describe specific reasons, providing your reader a roadmap that explains exactly what your essay will be about. The polar ice caps should be melted and used as drinking water to alleviate drought and prevent rising ocean levels. Now our statement is an arguable, qualified thesis statement. Your readers will know your position on the topic, understand the action that you intend to persuade them to do or agree with, and can anticipate that the rest of your essay will describe drought and rising ocean levels. That's all there is to it. Now you have a working thesis statement and can begin writing your body paragraphs. Remember that this is a working statement and can be edited at any time throughout your writing process. To review, remember the three main criteria of an arguable thesis statement. 1. Your claim should attempt to persuade or convince your reader of your opinion or position. 2. Your thesis should discuss or explore a problem for which There is no obvious or easily identifiable solution. And finally, 3. Your statement should present an idea with which your readers could potentially disagree. In other words, ensure that your statement is not an easily verifiable fact. Now you have the tools to take what you have learned and apply them to your own essays. Remember, you are creating a working thesis statement, and this can be changed at any time during your writing process. Click on the link to access further practice examples. Thank you for watching this video. The Writing Center offers free one-on-one tutoring sessions to all San Jose State University students from all disciplines and all grade levels. If you have any questions, please visit the SJSU Writing Center website for information on more videos, our free downloadable homegrown handouts, and the dates of our upcoming workshops.